Hello folks, welcome to a brand new video of Mr. Pi. Can you find the height of this triangle? Pause the video and try for yourself in 3, 2, 1. First of all, let's begin with naming the points A, B, C and D, E. This question is by study point math concept, so do follow them. Now we have AD to be 24 centimeters and DE to be 7 centimeter. So before beginning this question, we'll draw a construction from A to E. Okay, so we have drawn the construction. Now we have to focus is that the in this triangle AEC, the altitude h bisects the base AC into two equal points AD, AB and BC, and the line EB is perpendicular to AC. So this is the property of an isosceles triangle. You get it? That is AE is equal to AC. This is an isosceles triangle as the base is perpendicular to the height is perpendicular to the base and it bisects the base. Now we will focus on triangle ADE. In triangle ADE, AE will be equal to root of AD square plus D square using Pythagoras theorem. So 24 square will be 576 and 7 square will be 49. So we will get root of 625, that is 25 centimeters. So A is equal to 25 centimeter and EC will also be equal to 25 centimeter. Now DC will be equal to 25 plus 7 32 and this is 24. So AC will be equal to AD square plus DC square, that is square of 24 square is 576 and square of 32, DC is 32, so square of 32, that is 32 into 32 is equal to 1024. So we'll get a value of 1600, that is 40 centimeters. So AC equals to 40 centimeter, but it's divided into two parts, that is AB 20 centimeters and BC 20 centimeters. Now again, height h will be equal to root over 25 square minus 20 square. So root over 25 square minus 20 square is equal to 15. Hence the height of the required triangle AEC, and this h will have a value of 15 centimeters. Thank you.